How much can YouTube pay with 1,000 views this 2024? I know that a lot of you people have been waiting for this particular video. This 2024, Sonia, how much is YouTube paying you for your 1,000 views? We really want to know. Is YouTube worth it? Is YouTube not worth it? All of that has been giving you stress. I am here to answer. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how much YouTube pay me for 1,000 views, okay? And you guys know how we always do it, okay? I'll be putting it here or I'll putting it here. And yeah, if you're not monetized and this is the first time you're coming across my videos, for you to get and start making money on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour for you to join the YouTube partnership program. And once you join the YouTube partnership program, you start earning those coins. With no further ado, let's just go into my screen record. Let's check out how much YouTube pay me for 1,000 subscribers, for 1,000 views this 2024. This is the video that I'm going to be using. This video I uploaded 2 weeks ago. Okay, so where is this video? So I'm going to be talking about this video that I said before going live on YouTube. Make sure you do all of these things first, okay? And this is what I am going to be using for you guys. So this video is a 14-minute long video, 14 minutes 7 seconds. And yes, we're going to go ahead and click on the analytics of this video, okay? So for the analytics of this video, since this video was published, this video has gotten 1,001 views, and of which this video is just the right video to use on how much YouTube pay for 1,000 view this 2024, okay? So yes, and this video has gotten 1,000 views, and the reach of this video is 20.4k impression. For 20.4k impression, just getting 1k view, you people did not try, okay? So if you're watching and you've not clicked on my subscribe button, please do where to click, okay? And you can see how viewers found this channel from browse features, from channel page, suggested videos, other YouTube features, and others. You can see external site or app, which is WhatsApp and whatsapp.com. You can see YouTube search terms for this video, which is how to boost your YouTube channel, how to create a YouTube channel, and the rest of that. I don't know how to even pronounce this other one. And then you can see content that is suggesting this video, which is if YouTube, in fact, the 2 top contents are actually my content suggesting this video. And then let's go to the engagement of this video. For the engagement of this video has gotten 55.2 watch time. And for the real time of this video, for everybody that clicked on this 14 minutes video, they've been able to watch at least 3 minutes 18 seconds, and of which is something to be grateful for, okay? And you can see the spike is coming from the intro blah, 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 to the drip blah, blah, blah. So anyways, these are the likes and dislikes. And then let's go to the audience of this video. So for the audience of this video has a returning viewers of 732 out of the 1,000. And you can see the age watching this video: 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44. And you can see the gender, both male and female are watching this video. You can see the top geographical locations, the top countries that are watching this video: Nigeria, United States, and Ghana. They are the 3 top countries that are watching. Then United Kingdom, and then Kenya. These are the 3 top countries that are watching this video. And then you can see it's titled and watch time from subscribers. So now let's go to the revenue of this video. So for the revenue of this video has been able to make $2.05, which is $2.05, okay? I don't even know how to call it, okay? So $2.05 for 1,000 views. And yeah, this video, how you make your money, watch paid ads, and then YouTube Premium. And then my video performance for this video, for every 1k view I get to make on this video, I'm going to be making $2. So from that particular 1,000 views, that is how I got this $2.05, okay? And then how much advertisers are paying? Advertisers are paying $5.35 per 1k view of my video, which is my CPM. And then this is my earning by skippable video, display art, bumper, and non-skippable video. And then yeah, for the video of 1,000 views this 2024, this video has been able to make $2.05. and then let's talk, right? So let me end my the screen record first. And this is one thing I want you to know when it comes to YouTube revenue on. This is what I want you to know when it comes to revenue on YouTube. I can get 1,000 views with this particular amount. Another person can actually get 1,000 views with $10, $5, $6, depending on the kind of content that you're putting out here, and depending on your CPM, which is depending on how much advertisers are willing to pay you. So from how much advertisers are willing to pay you, YouTube will take their own, and then they are not going to put your own RPM, which is how much YouTube is going to pay you for 1K view. Okay, so it is very, very advisable for you to create great content that are evergreen. One good part about most of the content I create here is they are evergreen content. They are content that people are going to be coming out for every time. And yeah, 1,000 views gave me $2. Some of my videos on 1,000 views, I get more than $2. I get up to $4, $5. Some I get less than $2. So that is to say, people revenue differs. You can be getting more views and be making small, and then you can be making getting low views, which is small views, and be making high. Okay, it just depends on how much advertisers are willing to pay, what kind of content are you bringing on the table. I've done a video on high paying niches on YouTube. You can also check out that to know the particular niche that best fits you. And yeah, this is me telling you that this $2 is very, very important, right? In today's currency already, this is over like 3,000 naira. And the good part of YouTube is no matter the country you are, YouTube is going to be paying you in dollars for me, right? Because I stay in Nigeria, and it's a good chance for me since I get to make my money directly from YouTube without buying dollar. And then at the end of the day, I exchange with my own rate, and I can be able to live very well when it comes to living in my country. So another thing that I want to tell you is, as a YouTuber, as a small YouTuber, as a content creator, don't even think of giving up no matter any point. You guys know that I always say this in my videos. Make sure you push, make sure you do everything possible to get monetized on this YouTube street, because trust me, it is definitely going to help you. It's going to be a lifesaver for you. Yes, okay. Just think that at every point in time, just know that at the end of the day, instead of you juggling, running up and down to work every morning, except for those ones that love working, okay? For me, right from time, I never love to work. I never said I'm a career woman, but having this from the comfort of my home, and then I sit back in the house and then do this, it's something to actually be grateful for. And you can also be one of those people that are also blowing up on YouTube. And yes, the fact that you're getting low income right now doesn't mean you're not going to get high. And this is to answer some questions that people have been saying. Oh, is it any amount you get in a particular video that YouTube gets to pay you every month? No, YouTube don't pay that like that, okay? So YouTube accumulates all of those revenues that you're getting from different videos. And then once you meet up to your $100 threshold and above, YouTube is definitely going to pay you. If you meet up to a less threshold, YouTube is going to like put it in your AdSense account. And then once it's complete, you are going to be cashing out. And yeah, I'm grateful that I'm on this platform, and I know you can also do the same. So with no further ado, if you have any question, leave it for me in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section how much your own 1K view video is paying you this 2024. Let me know in the comment section if at every point in time I've been able to encourage you through my videos of how much YouTube pay me. And yeah, with no further ado, like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. If you've not subscribed, do subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. Bye for now. I love you. Mwah.